Good afternoon. So we are leaving Port Orchard, driving to Belfair on the back roads today. I've done this drive before, but it was not in 4K. It was when we had a snowstorm last year. So this will be my 4K video of this drive. Should be a lot better. But we are headed to Lake Cushman area, where they had tons of snow a week ago, and the roads were closed. 101 was closed for, gosh, I wonder if it was like almost a week. Trees down, power lines down. So I want to see if the snow is melted, because there's a decent amount of snowshoe trails out there that you could do if there's still snow, and we might have to go check that out. I've never went out here in the winter before though, so I really don't know how low the snow level will be. We're going to take one of the Forest Service roads if it's open, well, if it's clear, I should say. But from Belfair, we're going to drive on the southern shore of Canal. It is 1:30 and it is dark and cloudy. We just got another 2-3 inches of rain. I think we're up to, must be 7, 8, 9 inches of rain for the month. That's a lot. We're supposed to be dry the next 4 days, so tomorrow I hope to go over one of the mountain passes. I really want to see Leavenworth before the snow melts. They still have 40 inches of snow on the ground, maybe. They had 50 a week ago. It's just too bad, like, it either rains too much and floods everything, or snows too much and closes the passes. It's been a bad winter. I am ready for spring. So I had to take out a couple more pieces of the platform tent because there was some wetness in the front. So I took out one of the pads in the front. Hoping it's just condensation, because if it's a leak, then that means it's going to leak when I drive in the rain. I see two areas that I potentially need some sealant, maybe, where I think if it's not condensation, where the water is getting in. It's along a seam at the very front, and there's two pieces of metal sticking up, and there's like a ½ inch where they didn't put any sealant for some reason. But hopefully I get that figured out. I mean, I was pleasantly surprised that in the last 3-4 months we've had 30-40 inches of rain. It wasn't terribly wet, but I don't want it to be wet at all. So this is Southwest Lake Flora Road, going west from Port Orchard. And I can't believe how dark it is. It is definitely kind of depressing this winter, I will say that. I saw an article that the Seattle Metro is the the most medicated big city in the country, and I believe it. Because we haven't seen the sun for months, and it just rains. Like this winter has just been horrible. I was tempted to stay home today and do the exercise bike, but I haven't really left the house in a week, and I'm just going stir crazy. Can't take it anymore. and I have no videos to put up, which is good because everyone that's been watching all my videos definitely needs a break. I just bombarded you the last 6 months. But for those of you that love watching them every day, I will do my best. I think I have 700 some videos now total. My goal was to get up to 1,000. I found one channel where the guy had 6,000 videos. It's a big rig driving channel. So he does live videos like every day. I really want to take a trip soon, but the COVID cases spiking so much. And then I read that the vaccination for the amount, I've had it for 5 months now. So basically I only have like 20% effectiveness of it left. And only 50% chance of it keeping me out of the hospital is what I read. So I kind of want to wait till I get my booster shot before I take my winter trip. Hopefully I can get that shot in 2 or 3 weeks. I should make an appointment just in case they require appointments. I really hope this is the last wave we have to worry about, because after this wave, like they say, everyone's had COVID at least once, most likely. I think I've had it twice, honestly. I think I just had it a month ago again for the second time. I've been really achy and tired, and at first I would wake up with a kind of a sore throat, but I didn't have one, you know, the rest of the day, so I don't know if that was just from being cold. I hope I had it again, so I want to be over it. I want to be done. Every time you get it, you'll be better at fighting it off. Did not put the towel up. Let's see if it looks all right. Last time we went to, oh gosh, Snohomish, I did not use the towel and I didn't see any glare. It was raining. It's the only difference. I'm hoping I don't need to use the towel when it's cloudy. That would be nice. I see so many videos of people driving that they don't bother. So maybe it doesn't really matter. I just like it to look clean. You know, the no glare in the video. I started rewatching my June trip of this last year this morning when I was doing some stuff. It was kind of fun. It had lots of sunshine in it. Blue sky. I made it from George Washington to Spokane today, watching it while I was doing things. nice taking that back road. It's 53 degrees. This is like the warmest day we've had in a while. We actually had some sunshine before this latest rain. It was on Monday, I believe. I can't remember. Sunday or Monday. Might have been Sunday. So I cleaned up the yard a little bit. I just hope we don't have a rainy spring. I hope it's normal. I mean, we need some rain, but I just hope it's not every day until May. It's nice when we get an average April and a decent March. So Skycomish on Highway 2 still has like 3 or 4 feet of snow on the ground, it looks like. This morning the road was still closed, Highway 2 pass. They were supposedly going to open it today. It's one of the roads I want to try in the next day or two. I just have to see how deep it is. It's going to be incredible probably. I want to go to Leavenworth before it melts. I was hoping I could make this light. That's alright. Well, that was Port Orchard to Belfair. Thank you for watching.